Hey, then. Good? I'm eating pepper. Want some? Good point. So, what did you do yesterday? Oh my god, me too! That's so weird. You just sat around on someone's leg? So did I. We have so much in common. Well, I gotta go. So, bye. Hi.
Yo.
You want a hot dog?
Where's Denise?
Do you want a hot dog, Jen?
No.
How about you? There's a little bit of a
What?
hot dog. I want a hot dog. What the hell? That was my pepper.
Have it.
Denise, do you want a hot dog? All I have to do is use the Zoom.
That's it, Denise.
Let's not say we didn't.
Come here, get her.
Let me stop recording it. No, I'm good.
What do you want?
Hey, Nate, what's cracking? Shellacking? My jacket.
How long have I put this in for?
There's me choking on camera.
How long did I put this in for?
30 seconds. 30? No. No, that's 3 minutes, retard.
I like sitting on cameras. It's kind of my thing.
Take it out at 10.
So I should put only 20.
No, because if it's not hot enough, it takes so long.
Okay, you can stop it, sweetie. Where's your bread?
Okay, bye.
I'll stop it.
What? Can I bring your cord with you?